a procedural due process. Notice and a hearing before it goes away. That's procedural due process, saving the day. Privileges and immunities means the state can never choose to treat a non-resident differently than the residents they use. Lock the facts into your mind, make the definitions tight. This is constitutional power for protecting every right. The 13th Amendment struck the chains and broke the heavy floor. It banned all forms of slavery and closed that dark door. It stops private individuals from drawing racial lines, while the 15th Amendment keeps the voting booths aligned. No racial discrimination when you cast a ballot down. The fundamental right to vote in every single town. Notice and a hearing before it goes away. That's procedural due process, saving the day. Privileges and immunities means the state can never choose to treat a non-resident differently than the residents they use. Lock the facts into your mind, make the definitions tight. This is constitutional power, protecting every right. Now the takings clause declares for the public use today, just compensation must be paid if they take your land away. And public use has grown to mean a benefit that's grand, like expanding out the tax base or creating jobs on land. But watch out for the exception when the value drops below. Inverse condemnation has a heavy rule to show. A market fluctuation isn't quite enough to hero. The state must strip the value down to absolute zero. 13th bans the slavery, 15th protects the vote. Takings clause demands the cash, keep every word I wrote. Zero value, inverse claim, notice and a hearing. Yeah, remember the name. Notice and a hearing before it goes away. That's procedural due process, saving the day. Privileges and immunities means the state can never choose to treat a non-resident differently than the residents they use. Lock the facts into your mind, make the definitions tight. This is constitutional power, protecting every right.